Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram reactions not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. So guys, first of all, update your Instagram app. So for the update, go to App Store here. So go to the search section and search Instagram here. Tap on Instagram. So guys, update this Instagram to the latest version. So I have the latest version on my iPhone, and then go back now. And then after this, the next solution is clear cache your clear cache of your Instagram app. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and find the Instagram app here. So here is the Instagram, tap on it, tap on offload app. So after uploading, tap on reinstall app. So go back now, and then after this, the next solution is, and the last solution is, reinstall your Instagram. So tap and hold on the Instagram app, tap on edit home screen, tap on the minus option, and tap on delete app. So guys, delete your Instagram and reinstall again from the again from the app store. So guys, it will 100% fix this issue on your Instagram. So so guys, ensure that you have a stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor network connectivity can impact the functionality of Instagram features, including emoji reactions. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.